Friends, in this video, we're talking about conjugate sort. Now, suppose you are given, let me just say, an algebraic expression of, let's say, a minus b, then multiplied by a plus b. Let's say you are asked to multiply these two values together. If you multiply these two values together, what are you going to have? You are going to have something like, let me just, you are going to have a squared, right? Then you are going to have minus ab, then plus ab, right? Minus b squared. Exactly. That's what you are going to have. So what happened here is that if we simplify this expression further, right? This we cancel this, right? Then you're left with what? You're left with a squared minus b squared. Exactly. Now, similarly, let's say you are given uh, root of a, then minus what? Root of what? Of b. Then into brackets, root of what? Of a minus root of what? Of b. Now, you're asked to multiply these two things together. Here, if you multiply root of a multiply this, is going to give you what? Root of what? Of a all squared, right? Then followed by minus what? Root of what? Let me just say root of b multiply what? Root of a. Then followed by what? That's plus what? Root of what? Of b multiply what? Root of a. Then followed by what? Minus root of what? Of b all squared. So if you choose to simplify this expression also further, you're going to have it to be, that's actually, this is going to cancel this, then you're having root of what? Of a all squared, then minus what? Root of what? Of b all squared, which can also be simplified to, that's actually, this cancel this, you're going to have a minus b. Now, let me just give you the hint of the basic idea of what conjugate sort is. We are talking about conjugate sort. Two swords are said to be conjugates of one another or of each other if their products gives rise to what? To difference of two squared. This is still difference of two squared. Now, this is actually a rational expression. After multiplying these rational expressions together, I have a difference of two squared, which is a squared minus b squared. Then after multiplying these two things together, two rational values together, two irrational values, that's two sorts together, I'm having this expression, which is what? Difference of two squared. Can you see it down? And after simplifying it further, I have a what? A rational value. Just is about conjugate sort. Now, let's say you are given some expression and you are asked to find their conjugate form. Now, let's say you are given root of 5, right? Minus what? Root of what? Of 2. And you are asked what? To find the conjugate form of this expression. The conjugate form of this expression is going to be, that's actually, no, you are having minus here, then you're going to have root of 5. Follow, this is going to be what? Plus root of what? Of 2. So this is the conjugate form of conjugate sword of this what? Of this sword. Can you see it now? So another thing that you can have is that, let's say you are given 2 plus root of 3 and you're asked to find what? The conjugate sword. So here is going to be 2 minus root of what? Of 3. So this is actually the conjugate sword of what? Of this expression. Now let's say you are given another expression, which is, let me just say you are given 4 root what? Root 7, right? Then plus 3 root 3, and you are asked to find the what? The conjugate sword of this expression. This is going to give you, that's actually 4 root what? Root 7 minus 3 root what? Root 3. Exactly. So that's what, it's just like uh you are just changing the sign. If this is minus, then the conjugate is going to be plus. If this is plus, then the conjugate is going to be what? Minus. So that's just it. Suppose I want to find the product of these two conjugates sort. Now let me just say I'm having 4 root of what? Of 7 plus 3 root of what? Of 3. Then I'm asked to multiply it with what? With root of 7 with 4 root of 7, right? Minus 3 root of what? Of 3. This is 4 root of 7. Now, let's say we want to multiply them together. Now, if I should go ahead and multiply this expression together, I'm going to have this, but this multiply this is going to give me 4 root of 7 all squared. Exactly. Then this multiply this is going to give me minus 3 root of what? Of 3. Multiply what? 4 root of what? Of 7. Then this multiply this is going to give me plus 3 root of what? Of 3 multiply what? 4 root of what? Of 7. Exactly. Then this multiply is going to give me minus what? Minus 3 root of 3 all squared. So by the time I choose to what? To simplify further, this and this is going to cancel out, right? Then what I'm going to left is actually 4 root of what? Of 7 all squared minus what? 3 root of what? Of 3 all squared. So if you look at this very, very well, this is actually a difference of 2 squared. Exactly. This difference of 2 squared. Now, it is difference of 2 square in the sense that it is the same thing as writing 4 root of what? Of 7, right? Plus 3 root of what? Of 3, then multiply by what? 4 root of what? Of 7 minus 3 root of what? Of 3. So this is just it. If you multiply this and this together, you're going to have this expression. So that's just what conjugate sort is. Conjugate sort, two sort are said to be conjugates if their product gives rise what? To their difference of two square. Or well, if you simplify this expression further, it's going to give you what? A rational value. Now, if you simplify this very well, you are going to have this what? 6 multiply what? 7. Because 7 squared is actually what? That's actually root of 7 squared is actually 7. Then minus this and this is going to be what? So that's actually 9. Then this you cancel this, you are going to have multiply what? By 3. Exactly. So by the time you choose to what? To simplify this further, you are having 6 multiplied by 7, that should give what? 112, then minus 9 multiplied by 3, that's what? 27. This actually equals to what? 85. So this is a whole value. So let me just summarize what are the main important information in this video. That's just that. That's just that is just you can just say two swords are said to be conjugates of each other if their product gives rise to what? To difference of two of their square, to difference of their square. Or you say two swords are said to what? Are said to be conjugate of each other if their product gives rise to what? To a rational value. Although this and this are what? Are irrational, are not rational, but they will give their product gives rise to what? A rational what? A rational number. So that's just it about this video. So in the next video, I'm going to release the simplification of how to simplify conjugate sword. So if you enjoyed this video, please and please kindly share it with your friends and do well to click on the subscription button. Don't forget to click on the notification button as well so as to get notified whenever I drop new video. But most importantly, please and please kindly click on the subscription button. Thanks for watching.